Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If your VIZIO TV suddenly has no sound, don't worry. Today I'll show you a few quick and easy fixes to get your audio back in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch till the end because the last tip solves 90% of sound issues. Step 1. Check the basics: show remote and TV screen. 1. Make sure your TV isn't muted. Press the mute button on your VIZIO remote and see if sound returns. 2. Next, check the volume level. Sometimes it's just turned down too low. 3. Also, confirm that your external speakers or soundbar are properly connected. Unplug and replug them if needed. If everything looks fine here and still no sound, don't worry, move to the next step. Step 2. Check audio output settings. Navigate through TV menu, grab your VIZIO remote, and press menu, then go to audio settings. Here, check your audio output option. If you're using the TV speakers, make sure it's set to TV speakers. If you're using a soundbar or HDMI device, choose the correct option like HDMI ARC or optical. Sometimes switching this setting off and on again resets the sound. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. One of the simplest but most effective tricks, power cycling. 1. Turn off your TV. 2. Unplug it from the wall. 3. Wait for 60 seconds. 4. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This clears out temporary system glitches and often brings the sound back. Step 4. Check external devices. Show game console/streaming box. If you're using a cable box, gaming console, or streaming stick, check if the issue is with them. Try switching to another input or use the TV's built-in apps like YouTube or Netflix. If the sound works there, your issue is with the external device, not the TV. Step 5. Update TV software. Show VIZIO menu navigation. Sometimes a software glitch can mute the TV. Go to menu system, check for updates. If an update is available, install it. This can fix audio bugs. And that's it. One of these methods should get your VIZIO TV's sound back up and running. If this helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you found another solution that worked for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.